Looking for the best mid-range smartphones of 2025? Whether you need powerful performance, stunning cameras, or long battery life, we've got you covered. In this countdown, we'll reveal the top 5 best mid-range phones that offer flagship-like features at an affordable price. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, a powerhouse mid-range phone that delivers flagship-level performance without breaking the bank. Sporting a stunning 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, this device offers buttery smooth visuals, making everything from gaming to scrolling feel ultra-responsive. But the real star of the show? Its jaw-dropping 200MP Pro AI camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes, low-light shots, or high-definition selfies, this phone ensures unmatched detail and clarity. Plus, with 12GB of RAM and a massive 512GB of storage, you can multitask seamlessly and never worry about running out of space, powered by 5G and 4G LTE connectivity. It delivers blazing fast speeds for gaming, streaming, and browsing. And thanks to its large battery and fast charging capabilities, you'll stay powered up all day. For those wanting premium features at a budget-friendly price, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is a total steal. Stay tuned as we move on to number 4. At number 4, we have the Vivo V50, a stylish mid-range smartphone that delivers impressive performance, sleek design, and top-tier camera features, all at a fantastic price point. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and video playback. Powered by a high-performance chipset, the Vivo V50 handles multitasking effortlessly, whether you're streaming, gaming, or switching between apps. Photography lovers will appreciate the versatile triple-camera setup, featuring a 64MP AI-enhanced main sensor that captures stunning shots with vibrant colors and crisp details. Plus, the ultra-wide and macro lenses let you shoot from different perspectives with ease. And for selfie enthusiasts, the high-resolution front camera guarantees flawless shots every time. With 5G connectivity, a long-lasting battery, and fast-charging technology, the Vivo V50 ensures you stay connected and powered up all day. It's the perfect blend of performance, style, and value, making it a top contender in the mid-range category. Stay tuned. Number 3 is coming up next. Coming in at number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, a mid-range powerhouse that brings premium features, smooth performance, and Samsung's signature reliability at an affordable price. Sporting a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, the Galaxy A55 offers vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and ultra-smooth animations, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, it's powered by Samsung's Exynos 1480 chipset, ensuring seamless multitasking and 5G connectivity for lightning-fast speeds. When it comes to cameras, the 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, delivers stunning, sharp shots, even in low light. The 12MP ultra-wide lens expands your creative possibilities, while the 5MP macro camera lets you capture fine details up close. The 32MP front camera ensures high-quality selfies and crisp video calls. With 256GB of storage, dual SIM support, and a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging, the Galaxy A55 5G is built for modern users who demand power, efficiency, and great value. Up next, number 2. Stay tuned. Taking the second spot on our list, the Google Pixel 9 brings cutting-edge AI, a stunning display, and a next-gen camera system, all wrapped in Google's signature clean and efficient software experience. The 6.3-inch Actua display delivers superb brightness, rich colors, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel ultra-fluid. Under the hood, the Google Tensor G4 chip, combined with Gemini AI integration, ensures lightning-fast performance, smarter task automation, and on-device AI capabilities that enhance productivity like never before. Photography remains a Pixel stronghold, and the Pixel 9 doesn't disappoint. The 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and periscope telephoto camera produce stunning images, with Google's powerful computational photography. Night sight, magic eraser, and real tone ensure every shot looks its best, even in low light. A 24-hour battery life, fast charging, and 128 GB of storage round out this powerhouse device. If you love stock Android with guaranteed updates and next-gen AI tools, the Google Pixel 9 is a top-tier mid-range choice. Now, claiming the top spot on our list, the Nothing Phone 3A is a stylish, feature-packed mid-range smartphone that delivers premium performance at an affordable price. With its 6.77-inch 120 Hz AMOLED display, you get crisp visuals, smooth scrolling, and vibrant colors, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. At its core, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensures snappy performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or juggling multiple apps, this phone can handle it all with ease. The 50MP triple camera system is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, with advanced AI features that enhance detail, color, and clarity. The IP64 waterproof rating offers extra durability, while the 5,000 mAh battery provides all-day power with fast charging support. Running Android 15, the Nothing Phone 3A combines minimalist design with powerful hardware, making it the best mid-range phone of 2025. If you want style, performance, and reliability, this is the ultimate choice. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best mid-range phones of 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Don't forget to check the description for the best deals on these phones. Thanks for watching.